continuing on with our eMpATHy math project. And so we have all our data, we've been doing all our little eMpATHy interviews, and we have all this information about our class. And today we're going to be actually using Desmos as a tool to help us visualize and understand our data a little bit more. So all of you have shared, are you okay?
Wow, you had to do something to screw the video up.
Are you okay? Alright. What we're going to do is, all of you have this spreadsheet shared with you. You have it in the Google Classroom, and you're going to go in and find the variables that you are using to analyze to understand our class better. I'm going to use distance you live from school and number of siblings as an example here, but when you get it, you're going to copy whatever data you have, okay? So you're going to go into the spreadsheet, and you're going to copy and paste the columns that have your data, and go all the way to the bottom, get everyone in the whole class, and you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go over to Desmos, and you're going to paste the data straight in there. All I did was a Control-C, Control-V, plain old paste. And what we have here, you can see, what do you call this kind of graph? This is a scatter plot, and each of these dots represents what?
Data points.
Yeah, that's all of us. This is all of us right here on the graph. And this is the number of miles from school, and the, what did we say it was?
Number of siblings.
Number of siblings, was it? Okay.
Yeah.
So now this data is actually like interesting just to look at, like where there's clusters of people, where there's people kind of like on the outskirts, like, whoa, that person has like 15 siblings? That's kind of wild. This person has to drive 28 miles to get to school. There's all kinds of things we can notice from the data just like this. However, an awesome thing that Desmos has is that they can actually write us lines of best fit to model this data and see if these data points are correlated in any way. And the way that we do that in Desmos is we're going to try to like see if this can be modeled linearly. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a little feature that Desmos has. It's a little tilde. Have you guys ever seen that little thing on the keyboard before? It looks like a squiggly